Hi everyone, I am going to show you a demo of how to use Fidap to get access to COVID data today. We're going to answer a really simple question, and that is what states have the most total infections? In order to do that, we are going to navigate over to the Fidap website. From here, let's click on Get Started. You'll need to log in, and you'll see a list of datasets. Let's search for COVID and select the first one, which is the COVID New York Times dataset. Over here, you'll be able to see some basic information about this particular dataset, the tables that are inside of it, including the states, which is the table of interest. And over here, we can take a look at the fields. The fields include the state name, confirmed cases, deaths, and the date. We can preview this table, and we can also see an Explore tab, which effectively gives information about each of the columns within this table, including things like distinct values, distribution, how many zeros there are, and other information about this particular data set. What we want to do here is run a query. So let us click on the Artifacts tab. And from here, we will start writing a new query. So I got the project name and the schema name or dataset name from the Overview tab on the dataset level. And I will type in US states here, and let's select everything and let us order by confirmed cases descending. And I added in a date condition and a limit over here, and we can run this. And these are the results we get: California, Texas, Florida, New York. And now let's see how we can do this in a Jupyter notebook. For this, I created a new Jupyter notebook in Google Collaboratory. You can call this Fidap COVID Demo Part 1. And the first thing we'll do is pip install Fidap. Once that's done, we will import Fidap, and then we will do Fidap, or Fidap client equals Fidap dot Fidap client API key equals. And so I grabbed my API key from the account section in Fidap, ran this, and then deleted the API key for security purposes. But now what we can do is use our Fidap client .sql, and we can type in our SQL over here. I'm going to copy paste it from what we had over here. Paste that in. 1, 2, 3. Run this query. And there you have the results in a pandas data frame of the same query that we ran on fidap.com. So that's the end of part 1, just getting started with Fidap and our COVID dataset. We will, in part 2, do a little bit more complex analysis of this same dataset and merge it with another one as well.